Hey, this is Spider from A3 Customs. We're doing some custom foam work today. We're working on the tan and black truck down there, and we're customizing some foam for the seat here. We're going to use these blocks to build our seat and get the design we want. And then over here, we have our seat that we're working on, and we're building the bolsters for it using these custom sheets that I just opened up over there. As you can see here in the middle, I got a little armrest area and then bolstered up on the sides. And then of course we'll do our upholstery on it a little bit later, but we've still got a lot of foam work to do and do the bottom seat. If you want to look at this one here, just to get a look at what the old one looked like, this is what it looked like. This is what it's gonna look like.